Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to perform software update on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So I'm going to launch into the DaveTech profile and I'm looking to go to quick settings. From quick settings, I can find the all settings option. So under all settings, I'm looking for the option that says system, and clicking on system, you're going to want to go to about. So if you go to about, you find the first option that's saying system update. So clicking on this button immediately is going to update your software to the most recent version and your device is going to restart. So I've clicked on it. If you click on check for update moving further, you see that my last successful check for update is at 10:42 a.m. and I'm being told that my system is up to date. Now, if your system is not up to date, you're going to see a download prompting you to download a file. That file is a system download file. Just give it a second, it's going to download automatically, and immediately after it downloads, your system is going to restart. That restart is going to update and install that update, making your device to come back to the latest version. So if you're on the latest version, kudos to you. If not, download the update, install it automatically, and when your system restarts and you refresh back up, you have the latest update. So if you did that and it worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for content like this, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Peace.